About 2 months ago, I did a video entitled 1954 Corvette Bumper Repair and Chrome Before. This video is the repair and chrome after the bumper returned from advanced plating in Nashville, Tennessee. So watch the video from a couple months ago and you can see the before, how bad this bumper was. It's about $750 later. This is the result. 1954 Corvette rear center bumper. I recommend my friends at Advanced Plating. They've done work for me for years. In Nashville, Tennessee. All the restorers use them. I mean, they are the premier chrome shop. Have been for many years. Are you ready to get your Good Guys weekend knocked off? That's the show advertisement. I'm going to try to get down there. Anyway, there it is. I'll show you the back side of it. And the bottom. This bumper was very bad. They told me that, they gave me a price and said that they would try their best to honor it. And there was I had to sign a paper saying that once they got into it, if there was an additional charge needed, that we would pay it, and I did. You can see the back of it is steel original. Can't do much for that. But that's not visible on the car. But you can see how nice it's show quality plating. The threads was a concern. We did run a tap over them before I sent the bumper out for plating. You always want to do that. And as I mentioned in the first video from a couple months ago, always fit the chrome to the car body first before it's plated. Don't never assume anything lines up correctly beforehand. Because when you spend big bucks to get it plated, then it won't fit the car. It's not a good thing to happen. Anyway, there it is. 1954 Corvette rear bumper repair and chrome. Follow up. Finished. I'm going to be uploading videos of the car build too. So you want to stay tuned on this project. It's going to be fun. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Please rate this video, make comments, and more to come later. Thank you.